Today we're going to talk about the abundance of alkali metals in nature, and these of course are the group 1A elements, which we mentioned in the previous video. They're lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. So this time we're going to mention lithium, sodium, potassium, and francium. These are the most important elements of the alkali metals. So sodium and potassium are respectively the 6th and 7th abundant elements in the earth crust. So they're very important elements. The most popular form that the sodium is found in is called the rock salt, and this is basically the sodium chloride, the NaCl. Potassium is found in something called carnallite deposits, and this is a complex consisting of potassium chloride and magnesium chloride and 6 molecules of water. So KCl, MgCl2, then 6H2O. And then we have francium, and francium is a very rare element. It's a radioactive element. It's radioactive, and it was discovered in the year 1946. And it's prepared through the disintegration of actinium. And they don't know actually the real form of francium because it's radioactive, it disintegrates very quickly, and we can say that it's just present theoretically. So actinium has a molecular number of 227, or a mass number of 227, and an atomic number of 89. Okay, it disintegrates, giving francium and an alpha particle. This is what happens in radioactivity. The alpha particle has an electronic configuration same as that of helium. So it has 2 electrons and 2 protons, so 4 and 2. So we can replace that with helium. And 2, and we will realize that francium has a mass number of 223 and an atomic number of 89 minus 2 is 87. So 223 plus 4 is 227, and 87 plus 2 is 89, so this is actinium. So these were the notes that are found about the abundance of alkali metals in nature. The next time we will talk about the general characteristics of the elements of the group 1A of the S block, and until then I thank you for watching and see you.